Myself, Professor P.S. Baste from KK College of Horticulture. Today we are going to see the chapter Infection and Penetration. Infection definition. Infection consists of actual entry, that is invasion of the pathogen into the host, its multiplication and establishment, stable parasitic relationship within or upon the host body. Mechanism of the infection. There are three steps in the mechanism of infection: pre-penetration, penetration, and post-penetration. In the pre-penetration, in case of pre-penetration, the pathogen spores land on the host tissue, and if suitable moisture and temperature and nutrients is present, the spore will germinate to produce the germ tube which grow on the host surface. In most of the fungi, generally, the mycelium will aggregate together on the host tissue before causing actual infection to the host. After germination of the fungal structure and its growth on the host surface, the germ tube or mycelium produces the appressorium, the organ of attachment, and set to reproducing the infection thread or peg. Penetration. The fungal pathogen enters inside the host either by active penetration or by passive penetration. Active penetration by dissolving of cell wall or by applying mechanical pressure to the host tissue. The passive penetration is through natural opening of the host. In case of the active penetration, once the appressorium produces on the host tissue, from the appressorium the infection pegs are produced. Now the pathogen enters by two ways. Host penetration. Once the pathogen enters inside the host, either through active or passive penetration, it starts growing inside the host tissue and derive the food nutrients from the host cell, either by production of hosteria or by growing inside the host cell and reproduce the spread the propagules in the population. Avenues of penetration. There are two type of avenues: direct and indirect penetration. Direct penetration divided into two subtypes: cutaneous and non-cutaneous surface. Example of cutaneous surface: epidermis, and examples of non-cutaneous surface are root hair, seedlings, needles, nectaries, buds, stigmites, and anthers. Indirect type of avenues are divided into two groups: natural opening and artificial opening. Examples of the natural openings are stomata, lenticels, and hydatodes, and artificial openings are wounds, stockends, and insect injury. Cutaneous surface. Epidermis: several plant tissues which does not having a such cuticular defense line and make easy for pathogen which use this organ as passage for migration into the deep-seated tissue. Example: rust, powdery mildew, and anthracnose. Non-cutaneous surface. Root hairs. As the root hairs are non-cutaneous, they make easy way for the parasite to enter through them. Several soil-borne bacterial pathogens, root-rotting fungi get entry through root hairs. Example: Pseudomonas, Fusarium wilt, and root rot. Seedlings. Seedling infection is systemic. The disease does not appear on the seedling, but when a pathogen grows vigorously in the plant tissue, the disease becomes visible only at the time of flowering. Example: bunt of wheat and smut of jawar. Needles. Infection of pathogen is through needle point. Example: blister, rust of pines, nectaries, and birds. It is the favorable avenues of infection because of non-cutaneous surface and sugary secretion. Example: scab of apple and fire blight of apple. Flower parts. Stigma and anthers are highly receptive organ for the entry of pathogen. Example: loose motopit and ergot of bajra. Indirect type. Natural opening and artificial opening. Natural opening. Stomata. It is very common mode of entry of pathogen. Example: lead blight of potato and downy mildew of grapes. Lenticels. Entry through lenticels is similar to stomata penetration and usually common in diseases of vegetative stem, tuber, and fruit crops. Example: guava canker, cholera of areca nut. Hydrathodes. Hydrathodes are water stomata. Water is exuded from them. Whenever they remain open, the pathogen gain entry through them. Example: black rot of cabbage. Artificial opening. Wounds. This is special mode of entry utilized by weak parasites. Wounds injury caused by various agencies like animal nematostomata, freezing injury, stun. Example: fungi like Rhizopus penicillium. Stock ends. Storage and market fruit rotting organism get entry through the stock ends. Example: steam rot of mango and ripe rot of mango and banana. Insect injury. It is also common entry of pathogen. Example, brown rot fungus and transmission of viral diseases are the different examples.